Welcome back to another Tech Talk with Toyota Rockwall. This is Amanda here, and I'm with our tech Damien. He is going ahead and putting some new window tint on this 2022 Camry LE that we got in stock here. I just want to show you guys how satisfying this is whenever we get these new vehicles in and they do not have any tint on them, and we give you the value. We do put that value on there of getting this window tint on there. It does let in 30% light, so this is the darkest tint that we have that will be legal on your vehicles. I don't know if you've never had a Toyota or a vehicle in general without any tint on it, but it is not fun. We're gonna match that up real nice and get it slid on there. Oh yes. You're good. Oh, even the baby windows get love. Are those corner ones more difficult to get in there? Nah? Oh. Well, I guess so, because you don't have any little trim to work with or anything on that, huh? All them nooks and crannies. Yeah, boy. Look at that. She. Hey, that's not bad. 3 minutes for window. Look at you. Should be in the NASCAR pit crew with that. That was 3 minutes. That's not bad. Not bad at all, sir. Hey, thanks, D. Appreciate it.